Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet stacked shell stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the double crochet stitch, and be familiar with the double crochet shell stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using several different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the stacked shell stitch, so this is what it is going to look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to want to make chains in the multiple of 4. You're then going to make 4 double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook, skip 3 chains, and then you're going to make your shell of 5 double crochet into the next chain, skip 3, make that shell again, and so on for the rest of your row. You will then make 1 row that you will repeat for the rest of your project, and I'm going to show you how to make that row on the row that I am currently working. I have made 3 chains on my hook so far. So what you're going to do is you're actually going to skip some stitches. You're going to be working into this middle double crochet of this previous 5 shell right here. So you're going to skip this first stitch that's connected with the chains, then skip 2 double crochet in that shell and work into the 3rd one. And you're going to work 5 double crochet or a 5 double crochet shell. 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're then going to skip over to that same middle double crochet in the next one and work 5 again. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You would repeat this for the rest of your row. When you get to the very end of your row, you're going to make a double crochet over the previous 3 chains that we made in our last row. That double crochet is going to match the chain 3 that we made at the beginning of our row. And that is going to be how to make the stacked shell stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.